I'm about to show you a new and revolutionary software that has changed the way YouTube videos are going to be made in the year 2022 and beyond. And I say this because making YouTube videos can be easy or hard depending on how you approach it. If you use AI softwares, it becomes as easy as eating a piece of cake. In this video, I will show you the best and cheapest AI software that I've found that is just miles ahead of all other softwares. Before we look at this software, let's take a look at why I think it is actually the best. With this software, you can write the script for your video. You can use the same software to turn the script you've written into an audio clip using its inbuilt text-to-speech voices. And finally, you can use the same software to produce the video with little or no editing required at all. All of these at a cheaper price while giving you a high quality video. Now let me show you how you can actually use this software to do all of the above. Once you're logged in, your dashboard is going to look like this. You can see right there that you can create your video from a script. You can also decide to create your video from an audio. Okay, now let's go with the script. So that's going to bring us here. There are three things you can actually do. If you've got a script already, you can paste it here and then go ahead and use the script. Okay, so once the script is pasted, all you would have to do is to click the button right there and use the script. But if you do not have an already written script, you could use the inbuilt writer to write the script. Okay, so the software is just going to do the magic and write the script for you. Okay, and if you've got an article or a script written somewhere, you could just rewrite it here. Okay, so if we go with the Iwriter, that's going to bring us here. And right here, this is where you'll be able to describe what you want the AI software to write for you. You would kind of write something there and it will understand what you want it to write about. You can actually change the language. You can select any language of your choice right there. You could actually drag this button down and up there to actually tell the AI software the exact number of words you want to have generated. Okay, so that's pretty much it. It's not hard. So now let's say we want to produce a video on how to lose weight quickly. Okay, so we'll just write that there. So that's a keyword telling this software to generate an article or content on that. So we just click that button right there and the magic just happens. As you can see it right there, it's already generated a content for us on that keyword. Okay, so now if you click that button, it's going to bring you here. So this is where you'll be able to read it a little bit. You could add call to action, you could edit it a bit if you want to. If there are any changes you want, this is where you'll be able to do it. And once you are done effecting the changes, the next thing will be to click that button right there and the software is gonna produce the video. Now you can see the video is already produced. You can see we've got some media, we've got some slides down there, and you can actually click each of those slides to see the different media and text matching the media. Okay, so the next thing we'd have to do right now is to edit the text. Okay, you can change the position of the text if you want to. If you click that styles there, so you'll be able to customize it a bit the way you want to. So you can change the color of the text if you want to. You can actually highlight a certain portion of the text and change the color to what you want. Okay, so you can see if I highlight that right there, I can actually change it to that color. You can change it to white if I wish to. So that is pretty much it. This is not hard. Okay, the software pretty much does everything for you. I can decide to actually change the font. I can make it disappear if I want to. I can make it reappear if I want to. So you can see how easy this software is. You can just customize it to your taste. And if you go to the media there, you'll be able to upload your clips if you've got any. If you don't have any media clips, you could just decide to use the one the software has in its library, and then it has a lot of media clips. Okay, so what you could do right here is to select any one of your choice. Let's say we want to change this media clip here we're looking at. We could just select this one, and boom, we could just use this to replace that media, and then it's gonna get replaced. Okay, so that is it. You can see we've got a new one right here replacing the old one. So you could do that for all of the slides. Okay, so on this section there are three things you can actually do. You can actually do text to speech. Okay, so this way you'll be able to convert the text to speech, and you can actually select any voice of your choice to make the video sound exactly the way you want it to sound. You can actually narrate yourself. You can see the various sections where you can actually narrate. You can add a background song. Okay, and you can adjust the volumes however you want to. You can preview the video and you can see the finished video the way it looks. If you're okay with it, all you have to do is to simply click the finish button, and that's gonna bring you to this place. Boom, your video has been created, and that's it. You could just download it, okay, and upload the video on YouTube. This is it. Now you might be saying, what software are you talking about? This is the software I'm talking about right here. It is the best software in the market. Usually if you want to produce YouTube videos, you would have to buy a special software for writing your article for you, and then you will now get another software for turning the article into speech, and finally you will now get another software for turning or producing your video. All of these are separate softwares that are going to cost you different amount of money, but with this studio software you get to do all of them inside this same web-based app. Okay, so this software is pretty much the best in the market right now. So if you want to get your hands on the software, all you have to do is to check the description of this video. You're gonna see a link that is gonna bring you to this page so that you kind of study it a little bit further. If you think it's what you need, then you could get the software for yourself. Of course, go through their FAQ section so that you clearly understand what this software is all about and the things you have to know before you purchase the software. I also have a bunch of videos on this channel that are going to show you how to create YouTube videos from AI. Okay, this video right here is going to show you the different AI softwares you have to combine to be able to make YouTube videos. That is, if you do not want to go with the method I showed in this video. Okay, so if you go down again, you can see this other one here which shows you how to create YouTube videos using your mobile device. So this is it for this video. This is Brixel Bees, and it's your guy Ken signing out.